Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend it, and somewhere between those toggles you should find a screen recording toggle. Now for me it looks like it's on the second page right over here. Now once you find this toggle, simply press on it. This will give us two options right here, so we can record audio. And we have a drop-down menu for it. So we have microphone, device audio, or both. And obviously, if you don't want to record anything, just keep it off. And in case of recording both microphone and audio, I recommend using headphones. Otherwise, the microphone might pick up your speakers and create an unwanted echo effect. And second option right here is show touches on screen. So this will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever you have pressed your finger to the display, just to signify where you are touching the display. So I'm going to enable the second one, just so you can see how that looks like. So let's start. This will start a countdown from 3. And then it's going to start recording. So whatever app you open right now will be obviously recorded. And once you're done with recording your screen, you can pull down your notifications again, and here you'll find this pop-up right here, record screen, tap to stop, and it gets automatically saved to your photo application. Now you will probably see that it's not visible in the photos. That is because it is actually in the library. So it creates a movie folder apparently instead of a screen recording, but whatever. And obviously once you tap on it, you can view the screen recording here. You can also see that grayish dot. So anyway, this is how you can record screen on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.